for about 2 years now, Obi and on social media say MPP as a party go through a very serious time after they lost their election in 2024, and especially how are Yoko for no any more delay into several issues. I mean, say I want to me 20 years imprisonment with high labor. I nim say you need be amano and I say baby a film at the amano. And no on the 14th of July. Any who say miracles abajin so no Yoko for Esa can much say a brand MPP are buying was no department and miracles abaji a juma. And much say Sikebia Ira or Muchra over 55 million Ghana cedis. Although say miracle baji aba out between say Sika ye can was no almost $9 million and 55. But menu do one dance say Deputy Attorney General Abedi won come say the miracles abaji Canada and I'm some and many eka say you freezing the 5 bank account. And half in so 4 landed property now when na ekosono a Accra High Court and a master order they say they should carry on such an exercise. Nebusia and ne a Thursday demonstration can see pa ekoso in front of Flagstaff House. As a matter of fact, omo the free circle and omo nante ya de go through Flagstaff House omo na omo botana ni say on person ne abayno ekasa say there's been an abuse of power. Then MPP penny for Honorable Afanya Markins JFK party chairman. Miracles Abuaji, all the party gurus in an equipium, or Honomona, the air can hear say most of them ever on net solid tip, Etalaman, who be some side, I must say a binding person, Yebekasa, Yekasa, or Betty into the solid tip, a Catano in person, Yebekasa, or we didn't come up, the chairman went to me come up, and the kind. So it seems like in Yama cost for 2 years near Minano. Or more addressing all those issues. Mess already more subscribe page me at the man some me appropriation on sa able to make.
Democracy has its own tools. Protests and demonstrations are some of the tools that you deploy. You know, sometimes when you find yourself in the bubble of power, you sometimes forget certain things. So what protests and democracies do is that it busts the bubble and momentarily alerts the government of some of the things that they are not realizing. We are hopeful that this government eventually will heed to some of these things. Focus on the majors. There are major things going on in this country. Fuel prices are higher today than you met it. Unemployment is higher today than you met it. Transport costs is gone up. Teachers, nurses that you promised are still home. People just cannot afford to live in this country because the cost of living is high. Those are major things for the government to handle. And so I am sure that they will hit. If they don't, for us as citizens, all we have is to continuously protest. And eventually one of it will be. People are afraid to speak. So what? As I stand here, I love to speak. But right now I'm afraid. Because if I speak, I am targeted. You see, when government targets you, there is very little you can do to save yourself. That's what people don't realize. That if government says that you are my target, they can even say that you slaughtered a fowl to prepare soup and it's a crime. There's so many things governments can do, and that for me is where the problem is. It's not about I don't matter. Nothing has happened to me. There's nothing that has happened to me. But the millions of Ghanaians, the thousands of Ghanaians.
Inside right now. 2028. Yes. Everyone know. I got 2.5 years. No over handing over power. I'm paying all sides of you. I'm candidates. Yeah, you want to talk about me. mu sɛ me wɔ gidi wɔ Nyankopɔn di mu sɛ NDC bɔne biara ɛwɔ mu tirim no Onyankopɔn ɔyɛ ne bia 2028 nkunimdi bɛyɛ yɛ dia na ahodo abɛyɛ nyinaa meka mo nyinaa se nyame hyɛ yɛ nyinaa obia nkɔ fi asomdwe mu. God bless all of you. God bless the New Patriotic Party.
We are the new Patriotic Party. We shall wait to save Ghana. The elephant, and when the symbol, we shall wait to save Ghana. Oh, we shall wait, we shall wait to save Ghana. We shall wait to save Ghana. Save Ghana. The elephant, and when the symbol, we shall wait.
The Captain Smart, this ignorant media person was insulting Baume just simply because Baume believed in Ghana card. Today, he went to a constituency, want to use Ghana card to achieve his what? MPC ambition. You see, so this are ending.
Yaduba Yokoha, Yamamu Abusiafo, Yaduba Yokoha, Yabenda Yana Kwaya Maubi, Ebra do say Jawa, Yakofa Bell condition here, Yawubita, Yatoso, Nipa Bako, Yatimaja Samtono, so said, ask them the Bejano, and this will cover 15 million Ghana, 500 billion. Service as the kind of man will be there. Man 500 billion. Yeah, catch it in your conference. And no way, Yania day. Messi, I'm no way, Yania day. Yes, all your force are not a day. All your force are not a day. And you're not here, you're going to be half. Now, so. Yejina wa yekwa ama ewia singina hu se yekwa adwuma mo ye no se bia na aba adwuma no mo ye ayawa yourself and mo ye wa and we want to assure them that no amount of intimidation, no amount of attacks will break us down, because we are the New Patriotic Party. The elephant is our really symbol.
And I would plaster another one.
Dear Daddy, Miss Sunyani said, Obeti opposition members. In Tianano, Obia and Casania, ye head ya by the best. Some Ghana one party state, ye home. The lawyer walk us as I know, say, it's okay, Sapania Babacho. They say bloggers I at your mono. There be a mukra, safety crime guaranteed. But it's possible to say a demonstration, a barbarous must say, Yamachimuni uncle, into Obia safety guarantee, Mimia safe, Obia safe for Ghana, Obia Ocasetia by Yubiano, Unya safe, because I buy now yet. Very hypersensitive. Oko Masempe no mubuafu near smart near betchu and then near the NIB, yeah the police, yeah the idea say Ghana ha at the Bonia for Mudi Boninia, ye Muniana TikTok for near the which. I bet any build your mind, sir. In the Zombas of Daniel Mine one party state of my own. The say the NDC 4% Ghana Hano, democracy near a soldier for Abem because soldier for Abem Krani and TikTok for say. Jana is your Mutitubia, it is a
If you spend the first one kasa with you, a bonnet, honorable Afanya Markins, any other leaders in the party, in the flash off house and another way. At everything being equal, I don't really know what's going on your mind. Mr. Say the comment section is yours. Who will tell adventure they go down by a new hour. Musify G information, nothing more. Subscribe to my page and press on the bell. Send me up to be answered on everything I can. Macra.